Hello. Nomad sculpt, extrude along a path, something like that. Okay, let's go to the Nomad app. This is an example for it, or yes, such a thing. Every form is possible. Okay, let's create a new scene. We don't need the sphere. And okay, sorry. Here's the background. Okay, we need a plane. Turn on the wireframe, perspective off. You can use different shapes, or you can also use the top of a cylinder or something like this. Okay, let's start with the plane. We can use the trim function. Hole fill is off, and yes, we can use the ellipse tool. Create a okay, that's our shape, and now it's multi-resolution. Now we can subdivide it a few times. The more you subdivide it, the sharper the result is. Subdivided one time or more, like you want. Okay, let's use the selection mask or cell mask and mask this part. And now you can give it a shell thickness and extract the part. Now it looks like this. We can scale it now. The length like you want. The plane we don't need anymore. I delete it. And we can turn the wireframe off now. And now we use the split function. Here in the split settings, turn off hole filling and use the rectangular function. And now you can split the object. I turn on the outline in different parts, like this. And when we are fine, select all the parts and simple merge the parts. When I turn on the wireframe now, we see the different parts. Now we can use the cell mask, turn the symmetry off, and you can mask here the parts, and you can now use the finger gestures. Hold down the mask button and tap on the screen to invert it. And now you can use the gizmo to adjust you can adjust the angel and the position of the parts, like this. And when you hold the mask button and swipe on the screen, the mask is now clear. Now you can use the next segment to bring it in position. You can mask it like this and hold the mask button and tap on the screen. And now you can use the gizmo again. You can, you can adjust the gizmo when you press pivot on the left side. And now you can, you turn off the pivot. Now you can rotate also the object like this. And when you're fine, you can hold the mask button and swipe. And so you can adjust every segment of the part. Use the next part and cell mask. Hold down the mask button, tap on the screen, and now you can use also the size to adjust the size like this, to adjust your shape. Hold the mask button and swipe, then the thing is clear. And now when you're fine with the adjustments, you can use the subdivision. You can use the flat subdivision, or you can subdivide it to get it smoother. Like this. I turn off the wireframe, and now you get a shape like this. And yes. No, the subdivision is not needed. You can give it a color. Yes. Okay. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.